Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope fine. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Susan. I'm a mom of 4 girls living in Germany and a husband. So are you looking for easy hairstyle for your child? Watch this video to learn how you can easily style threading hairstyle for your child. This is a hairstyle that looks unique and is good for any occasion. So if you are ready, let me walk you through on how you can style this hairstyle for your princess. And I'm going to be using 2 types of wool in this hair. We're going to be using 2 types of wool in this tutorial. First, Brazilian wool and baby wool. Yes, this is what I'm going to be using. We're going to be using Brazilian wool to do the background, and we're going to be using baby wool to do the threading. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. So guys, just watch and see the way I do it. I weaved just I do little cornrow on the front. Is optional, okay, and there are other ones is just threading. So before you thread the hair, you just before you start threading, I use a little Brazilian wool to thread it, to weave it, and before I start threading everything together. The reason for this is because I want the hair to be long, so that is why I added wool first. If you'll be following me for my threading hairstyle challenge, I have been making her hair without adding anything first. So enjoy the view, guys. My returning subscriber, thank you so much. I have not said thank you to you all. I appreciate you all. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you. And if you like this hairstyle, I also want to know in the comment section how you feel about this hairstyle. If you've done it before and you like it, I also want you to tell me, or if you are going to give it a try, also tell me about it. So just see the way I do it. Like I said, this front is optional, and I'm going to be putting the item that I used and their description, and putting them together in the description section. Items I use and the links, sorry, I'm going to put them in the description section. If in case you are interested, you can just go and buy. So, and whenever I'm using something that is not really good, I will also be saying it, so that I will leave you with your choice if you are going to try it or not. Okay, this hair gel I'm using right here, I'm going to be dropping the link there. It's really nice, and this is not a China jam. I used China jam before. So we are done with the front. This is how it is. So now it's going to be threading all the way. So, and I use 4 strands to weave and the same 4 strands to do the threading. You know how we do it. So let's get started. Please just follow my hands the way I'm doing it. I'm going to be making some parts very fast so that it don't look boring. That's why I'm making this first one now. Not that fast. See the way I'm doing it. Always don't forget, use rubber band. You know I'm saying it in all my videos. Use rubber band first so that the hair will not be that tight. So enjoy the view. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you all. One love.